This is how the new laminate looks now when it is correctly installed, locked in place, tight, no space in between, no place for water to get in. And it goes all the way under including under the fireplace.